Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you two amazing legit airdrops through which you can earn a lot of funds for free. So let's get started. Let's move on to our Telegram channel, which is Hidden Airdrop Finder. This is our Telegram channel. So if you didn't join my Telegram channel yet, then please join the Telegram channel. I have provided the link in the description of this video. So from there you can join this Telegram channel to get the best airdrops and earn huge money for free. There's no need of investment. It is all 100% free. So so our first airdrop is airdrop smoke token airdrop. So it is smoke airdrop round 2 airdrop. So you can just join this. You can just copy this link, click on copy, and then you need to go to your trust wallet. After you go to your trust wallet, you need to click here on dApps. After you click here, you need to go here and paste your URL. After you paste your URL, you just need to after you paste your URL, you just need to click on this tick button. After you click on this tick button, a page like this will open, and then it will show you like this. So it will ask you for your BEP20. For this you need to go cut this down, go back, and then just search for your smart chain address. So scroll down, this is our smart chain address, click on copy. Now go back to the site whose link you have copied, and then just paste it here, your address, click on submit. Then here you will get your referral link. It will show your balance, $100 SMT, 100 SMT token you will get here. So you need to do all these tasks. The options which you are getting, the things you are getting in blue color, you need to click on these links and then join the Telegram group and channel. Then submit your Telegram username using @. Firstly you need to do all these tasks. So just join this Telegram group and channel, then follow on Twitter. Click on this Twitter and then follow. Click on this Twitter. After you join Telegram group and channel, you need to click on Twitter. Now you need to follow. I'm already following it, so that's why it's showing like following. Scroll down. This is the pinned tweet. You need to click on like. I have already liked, and click on here and retweet. So I have already done that, and so let's go back. And the last task is Medium task. Follow us on Medium. Click on Medium, and then the page will open. Sign in on Medium, and then after sign in on Medium, just follow them on Medium. Click on the follow button. Now just scroll down. Now you need to fill your details here, like your Telegram username. Enter your Telegram username. Click on submit. Now you need to this Twitter profile link. Now you need to submit this as well. Enter your Twitter. Actually you need to not submit your Twitter username, but your Twitter profile link, which you can get by just opening this Twitter account. Your Twitter account, open your Twitter account first. Click on top left bar, click on your profile link, click on your profile, then click on this top right three dots, then click on share, then just click on copy to clipboard. After you click on copy to clipboard, then just go back to the trust wallet and then paste it here. Just remove it until the question mark, and then you have copied. Just click on submit. After you click on submit, you need to submit your retweet link as well. Go back to Twitter, click on open your Twitter account, then just this is your retweet link. No, not this. Just scroll down, and this is your retweet link, smoke token. Click on share button and click on copy link, submit, paste it here and click on submit. Now you need to type your Medium username, which you can just type using @, and then your Medium username, you can already get that username from your Medium account page. So after you have entered your Medium username, you need to click on submit. So all these tasks are done now, and this is your referral link, which you can share, and you will get 5 SMT per refer. So it is a really good amount. This is showing you will get 5 SMT token per person you refer. So please do not miss this airdrop. Please join this airdrop fast, because it may end at any time. And so now we have completed all these tasks, and its distribution is right after 24 hours. So when the SMT token airdrop will end, it will distribute right after 24 hours. Under 24 hours you will receive your SMT smoke token airdrop. So please don't miss this airdrop, join this. Now let's move on to our second airdrop, which is Musketeer Fund airdrop. So this as you can see, this is earning proof. So you will receive like 50 million muskets token, which is worth $20 right now. Its value may increase also, so it may worth huge also. It will list on Uniswap and liquidity will be high, so it's telling it liquidity will be high. So now you need to click on this link. After you click on this link, you need to click on start button. Start, then just enter this captcha. Then after you enter this captcha, you need to click on continue. After you click on continue, you will get these tasks. Then join their group as channel as well. Click on done. Then join their follow their Twitter and retweet their pinned post. So click on Twitter right now, a blue Twitter link. Click on it, open it, click on follow. I have already followed it, and click on this like button and click on this, and then click on retweet. After you do this task, just go back and just submit your Twitter profile link, which I have already shown in this video only. Previously I have already shown this, how to get your Twitter profile link. Then submit your Twitter profile link. After you submit your Twitter profile link, you just need to submit your ERC20 ETH wallet address below. So you need to go back to your Trust wallet, then you need to search for your Ethereum. So ETH only Ethereum, this is Ethereum. Just click on this, click on copy and go back to the Telegram bot. Then click on paste it here and submit. It will ask, have you completed all the tasks? Click on yes. And friends, I want to tell you this, Reddit and Discord tasks are also there, so you can also do this, but these both are optional. So after doing Twitter task, you also need to do Medium task. So follow their Twitter and retweet pinned post, follow their Medium, and you can leave these last two tasks, Reddit and Discord, you can leave. Just do follow the Twitter and follow the Medium. After you have submitted this, click on after you have clicked on yes, have you completed all tasks, then click on yes, and then it will show like balance button. You need to click on your balance button, then it will show your balance and people invited. I have 0. So now you can also share this referral link with your friends, so that you can get referrals and also get much earnings. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you joined my Telegram channel, then please join my Telegram channel, and please don't miss these airdrops, as I always post best airdrops. So don't miss any airdrop. Any airdrop can give huge earnings to you, huge rewards to you. So please don't miss, and please support, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.